Welcome to this tutorial on how to freeze cells in Excel in a simple way. By freezing rows and columns, you can always keep the header of your table visible when scrolling down the spreadsheet. Moreover, you can lock the first column in its position while scrolling across the data in the table. Freezing rows and columns is particularly useful when dealing with tables containing lots of data. You might notice that the header disappears as you keep scrolling down, or columns to the left might get out of sight when you scroll to the right. To avoid this, we have the freeze rows and columns function that provides a clear overview of the information in the table. To freeze cells, you need to click on a cell that marks the rows and columns you want to freeze. In this case, we'll select the first row and the first column by clicking on cell B2. All rows above and columns to the left of the marked cell will freeze. To freeze panes, follow these simple steps. Mark the selected cell. Click on the View tab. Go to the Window section. Select Freeze Panes. You can also freeze only the top row or just the left-hand column by choosing Freeze Top Row or Freeze First Column, respectively. But for freezing rows and columns together, go for the first option, Freeze Panes. After freezing, the header with months and the column with years will be visible all the time. Even if you scroll down or to the right, the data in these cells will remain on the screen. To undo the formatting, go back to the View tab, and in the section window select the option Unfreeze Panes. By following these simple steps, you can easily freeze cells in Excel, ensuring a clear overview of your table's information. If you found this video tutorial helpful, please give us a like or leave a comment below, and watch another video tutorial on how to in 2 minutes.